Hello everyone, welcome to Heat Tech. In today's video guys, we are going to review HK9 Pro Plus smartwatch, which is a Apple Watch Series 9 replica. I've been using this watch from few days and I would like to review this video. So I already make the unboxing video of this watch. If you haven't seen that one, I'll leave a link in description and you can also check the cards in the video. In this video, I'm going to dig deeper and I would like to give you my own review regarding this watch. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the future upcoming video notification. I highly appreciate your support to my YouTube channel and please leave your comments and like the video. So this watch is quite comfortable to wear with a green silicone strap. I really like so far this one. So guys, let me tell you some of the specification of this watch. As I mentioned earlier on, this is a HK9 Pro Plus 3rd generation smartwatch, which is a replica of Apple Watch Series 9. Watch size is 45 mm and the screen size of this watch is 2.02 inches, which have a AMOLED display. Resolution of this one is 480 by 525 pixel per inches, and watch actual size is 46 by 39.2 by 11 mm. So the screen size is roughly 45 mm in there. So this one use a low power dual Bluetooth 5.2 for the phone app and notification and call separately. So this one have a new CPU chip in there called SPF32LB525 chip, which have a 1.4 MB running memory, and this watch have a 2 GB storage in there to store some of the recording you can record inside the watch, some of the local music, some of the games and third-party applications you can download using the WearFit application. This watch also have a waterproof rating and have a 350 milliamp battery. This watch have a 4 to 5 different kind of menu styles in there and support Android 5.0 and ISO 10.0 or above. And this watch use a WearFit Pro application. This watch display is amazing. Even is a clone replica watch. The AMOLED screen colors are really vibrant on this one. UI on animations are quite nice. There's no clicking next to the crown key in there, and it's quite responsive. As you can see, if you are turning all the way up, it will open up the application right in the middle, and if you are turn the crown key all the way to the down, you will see the full honeycomb style menu in there. There's a lot of different applications available in there, including some of the health applications in there, some games you can play in there. There is a sound recording options in there. There's so many options available in there. Also you can store some of the local music inside. This one also have a ChatGPT, OpenAI. So let me walk through the watch as well, so you will get a better idea about this clone watch. So this watch color is silver, and it is aluminum body in there. This one on the side there's a crown key which is quite responsive, and there's a side key and a microphone hole in there. On the back, wireless charging, and there's a health sensor in there. On the left side there's a speaker grill in there. The sound is quite decent on this one. So this clone watch have so many different options. If you connect with your phone and you have a phone notification and call notification on, you will see a red dot on the screen. So it means there's a notification. If you pull down, you will see all the notification in there, the one you have selected from your phone. If you swipe bottom to top, you will see some of the application along with the clock dial in there, and you can select any of application you like to use, or you can go to the all applications in there. So pressing the crown key, it will come back to the main watch faces which you already selected in there. Let me tell you that some of the watch faces are interactive. You can change the color of just touching them, or open up any of the application shows in there. For example, this one is a sport mode one, so if I touch that one, it will open up the sport mode in there. And there's so many different to choose from. There's more than 170 sport mode available in this watch. If you swipe left to right, you will see quick access menu. If you swipe right to left, you will see some of the application with the very vibrant color icons in there. As you can see, this one is a sleeping mode option in there, and if you swipe up and down, you will see some of the more data regarding this app. So as you can see in next one, this is a weather app. If you swipe a little bit down, and they will give you the whole details of this one with the accurate data. And if you press the side key, you will see the control center in there. You can edit You can adjust the brightness in here. You can see the battery level. You can turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Black color on AMOLED screen is really impressive. You cannot able to recognize the bezel of the watch and the screen background in there, so you can hardly notice in there. So the color are really vibrant. The touch screen is really impressive. You can press and hold, and you can able to change some of the watch faces in there. You cannot able to change watch faces turning the crown key. Even there's a no lock option inside the watch, and you also have an option to uninstall the watch faces from here. There's a few of the watch faces are stock which you cannot able to uh, delete from here. All the keys are quite responsive. The touch is really smooth, and application opening and quitting animation really impressive in this one. So this one on full brightness, let me show you some of the setting menu in there. So I'm in the setting menu in there. First of all, you will see the personal information, then you will see notification setting in there. You can adjust on red dot reminder, or you can see the brightness screen or full notification. And there's a universal option. There's information regarding this watch, and there's a language option. This watch supports so many different languages in there. So it's 21 languages in there. This watch already connected with the phone. You can reset or restart the watch, or you can shut down this one. Do not disturb mode, you can use it from here, or you can use from the main page. Also you can access from the side menu or control center. Brightness, you can also use the main screen on the menu system, or you can come to the setting. You can change it from here as well, and there's an option to turn off the screen or turn on the screen, and they will give you always on display or 24-hour, 12-hour. So I'm using always on just now. And there's another option, display will turn off in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or maximum to 20 minutes. That should also give the always on display. So watch will stay till the battery die, but unfortunately there's no such option in there. It will only give you 20 minutes before the display turn off. So there's also option to change the font on this one. Screen of time, you can set that to 30 seconds starting from 5 second. I leave it on 30 second at the moment. Sound and touch, I'm leaving on the low at the moment, but the sound of this watch is loud enough. You can hear and make a call and receive a call. You can hear clearly. Haptic feedback, I leave it on default. You can choose a powerful one as well. System notification, I leave it on. Crown tactics, you can put it on or leave it on, or every time when you click it will also vibrate while you're clicking or using the gesture control. This is already on by default. You can able to define the key pressing the key double click or single click. So this is a very good option in this one. Battery status, I give you lots of different battery informations in there as you scroll up and down. So at the moment 37%. So this one have a sleeping mode. There's so many different modes available: bedtime, wake time, sleep tracking. So for the sleep tracking you have to keep wearing the watch, so it can give you accurate reading in there. Sport mode, there's more than 170 sport mode, but there's also a few option in there to check and uncheck. There's a heart rate option in there. You can adjust some of the desired level setting in there. Bedside clock, I leave it on. Whenever you put on a charging, it will show you the bedside clock. As I mentioned earlier on, this watch have a 4 to 5 different menu style, and you can also put the wallpaper behind the menu system. This one is the first menu which I already choose, so that's the second one. It will show you some of the big icon in a honeycomb and some of the smaller icon around this one. This one have a list view, and you can change the wallpaper on back of that as well. And there's a 3x3 grid in there, and there's a circle one in there. So I like the honeycomb one, so I keep it that on that one. There's a loads of applications available, same option available in a setting of in mode. There's some games available. The games you can play is load very fast, just like using the games on your phone, and the touch is really smooth that as you can see, and is really fun to play on a watch on a small screen. Let's demonstrate the heart rate sensor in there. So it says 75. that must be in resting mode. You can also access to the battery option right from the honeycomb menu in there. Some of the watch faces support the compass mode in there. There's a two different option. One is a arrow one and one is a round circle one. So they are quite vibrant. And also there's also option inside the menu you can turn off or shut down your watch. So that's quite handy feature right inside the menu system. With this application you can do ton of different customization, but this one is a main page. There you can see some of the health app and data in there. An exercise menu, there's so many different menus and learning courses available. You can follow the trainers as well. Some of them is free, some of them you have to pay to use them. And in micro life you will also have some access to internet, for example games, game guide, software, some of the reviews, zodiac signs. Inside the device it will show you first of all your watch HK9 Pro Plus is connected, step count, calories and kilometer distance you have covered in there. And then it's also shows you the some of the dials in there. In the dial menu there's more options available. In this Wear Fit Pro application it will show you the paid one on the top and the free one all the way in bottom. I like this one, so I'm going to put that one. This one also says free and this one is 151 KB in there. Watch faces are really fast to transfer data to the watch. Let me show you the wallpaper stuff as well, how to change. So there's an option on the top. You can see dial, wallpaper and customize and me. Go to the wallpaper and you can choose any of the wallpaper. There's so many wallpapers, are free of them. And so as you can see the data transfer is quite fast. Even this one is only 67 KB anyway. So as you can see on the back the wallpaper is changed and shows with a car in there. And if you scroll down there's a more option about wallpaper, and then it says a video tutorial, graphic guide. You can add favorite contacts in there, custom screensaver, you can adjust that, make a wallet, my QR code, you can do that, weather app, alarm, picture, take a picture. You can use a watch to take a photo from your watch, as you can see, just like that, and save it to your phone. Find my watch option give you really cool voice notification in there. I'm here. I'm here. There's other setting in here. You can adjust some of the measurement, wake, rise to wake, time setting, and then you can able to update from where I already updated earlier on. So this is a 2.07 now. You can also connect this watch with your health app inside the iPhone. So what you have to do is go inside the sharing and then says app and services, and then you can add from select Wear Fit Pro, and this is already all on in there. So at the moment there's no data, but when I'm start using this one, so real-time data will shows over here. So guys, this is my review video of HK9 Pro Plus. So far this is a good watch with the AMOLED display. The brightness and the resolution of the screen is quite impressive. The UI is quite responsive, the touch is quite responsive, all the keys are really responsive in there. There's no lag in there, there's no delay in the display of using this one, and the colors are quite accurate and vibrant in there, and the watch faces are interactive, and the watch faces icons also interactive. The watch is quite light, with the silicone strap. You can use any of the different your desired color strap in there, so it will work with all of them. And this one have a health sensor and everything, and working with those one as well. So so far I really like this watch. I will recommend if someone looking for a cheap clone watch, this is the one watch you would like to buy. This one have so many different options available, like OpenAI, and you can use the AI watch faces and playback recording, stuff like that. Have a 2 GB memory in there. Waterproof test on this one and other clone watches as well in separate video. So if you like my review video and if you like this kind of content, please leave a like to my video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the future upcoming video notification. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will see you in next one.